Welcome to Alvi Associates. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at concrete roads, also known as rigid pavements. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or just interested in how modern infrastructure is built, this video will give you a complete understanding of the construction of concrete roads from start to finish. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to Alvi Associates for more content on construction engineering, architecture, and the latest technology in the field. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our insightful videos. Concrete roads, also known as rigid pavements, are a type of road surface made primarily from Portland cement, aggregates, and water, which hardens into a solid and durable surface. These roads are known for their high strength, low maintenance needs, and long lifespan. Concrete roads are widely used for highways, heavy traffic roads, and places where durability is a key requirement. To create a concrete road, a precise combination of materials is required: cement, the key ingredient in the concrete mix, usually Portland cement, which binds the aggregates together. Aggregates, a mixture of coarse aggregates like gravel or crushed stone and fine aggregates like sand, provide the strength and texture needed for the pavement. Water. Water activates the cement and forms the paste that binds the aggregates. The water-cement ratio is crucial for achieving the right strength and durability. Admixtures. Special additives may be used to enhance certain properties like workability, strength, and resistance to cracking and weathering. Like any other road construction, preparing the site is crucial before laying concrete. Here's what needs to be done. Site surveying. Engineers survey the land to decide the correct alignment, level, and elevation of the road. Excavation. Excavation of the soil is done to reach the desired depth for the road foundation. Any weak or unsuitable soil is removed and replaced with stable material. Subgrade preparation. The subgrade, the soil layer beneath the pavement, is compacted to ensure that it can support the concrete road's weight. Once the site is prepared, we move on to laying the concrete. This is the heart of the road construction process. Formwork installation. Wooden or metal forms are set up to outline the shape of the road and provide support for the fresh concrete. Placing the concrete, ready-mix concrete is transported to the site, and the material is poured into the forms. The concrete must be evenly distributed and leveled, spreading and finishing. A machine called a concrete spreader or paver is used to spread and level the concrete across the road. After spreading, workers use finishing tools to smooth the surface and remove any imperfections. The next crucial step in concrete road construction is compaction and curing. This ensures the road becomes strong and durable. Compaction. After the concrete is placed, it's compacted to remove any air pockets and to improve its density. This is usually done using mechanical vibrators to ensure uniform compaction. Curing concrete requires curing to ensure that it achieves its maximum strength. Curing typically involves keeping the surface moist for several days, which allows the chemical reaction between cement and water to complete, resulting in a stronger concrete surface. Concrete roads are built with joints to control cracking and allow for expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. Control joints. These joints are placed at regular intervals in the concrete to control where cracks will form as the concrete shrinks and hardens. Expansion joints. These are placed between slabs to allow the concrete to expand and contract without damaging the road structure, especially in areas with extreme temperature fluctuations. After the concrete is cured and the joints are installed, the road is given its finishing touches. Surface texture. The surface is often textured using a broom or other tools to enhance traction and provide a non-slip surface. Sealing. A concrete sealer may be applied to protect the surface from water infiltration, staining, and surface damage. Concrete roads are known for their longevity and low maintenance, but they still require some care over time. Crack repair. Although concrete is resistant to wear, small cracks may develop over time. These can be sealed or patched to prevent further damage. Resurfacing. In cases of significant wear, resurfacing can be done by applying a thin layer of fresh concrete to the existing pavement. Routine inspections. Regular inspections are essential to ensure that the road remains in good condition and to address issues like drainage problems that could affect the road's lifespan. And there you have it. Concrete roads are incredibly durable, require less maintenance over their lifespan, and can withstand heavy traffic and harsh weather conditions. From the preparation of materials to the curing process and finishing touches, each step is crucial in ensuring the road is strong, safe, and long-lasting. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about road construction techniques, engineering, and architecture, be sure to subscribe to Alvi Associates. We regularly share deep dives into construction processes and industry trends. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.